door can be adjusted up, down, in or out using the adjustments on the rollers. With the door in the closed position, nail the 10 5/8 inch by 3.5 inch wooden door stop to the left post using 20D nails as shown here, making sure that it's parallel to the door. Prepare to install the stay roller by removing the black roller from the metal bracket. Scribe a line on the post cap level with the bottom of the door. Slide the door past the post cap. Fasten the bracket to the center post so that the door's bottom edge will clear the bracket when the door is opened and closed. Replace the roller and slide the door back into place. When properly positioned, the left edge of the door should be parallel to the left side of the center post. Install the 1.5 by 1.5 by 6 inch door stop just below and flush with the right end of the track using 20D nails. Prepare the door latch by placing the spring onto the right side of the slide latch, followed by the cap, then slide the washer onto the latch from the left side. Place the handle portion of the latching system onto the doorstop and mark the position of the mounting bolts. Pre-drill these areas to ease the bolt installation. Using the latch and mounting bracket as a template, mark the locations of the 4 bracket mounting bolts. Note that when the latch is aligned correctly, it will latch under the handle as shown here. Again, pre-drill the bolt locations. Complete the latch assembly by bolting the U-clamps over the slide latch and through the bracket, making sure that the spring and washer are positioned to the right of the right-hand U-clamp. When the latch is installed correctly, it will spring open when the latch is raised. Notice also that when opened, the slide latch does not extend into the door opening. This completes the installation of your new Woodstar stall system. If more stalls are to be added to this stall, use the same methods of construction until all of the stalls are completed.